Welcome back. We are now going to save and exit this course, and we're going to be back at our dashboard. Now, one thing you're going to see here in this area is that you can customize your student dashboard. And this is what your student will see when they are logging into their area. Now, if you want to see what it looks like currently, what you can do here is you can click on the preview of your course. That's going to give you this course. You can then click the Go Back button. That's going to give you access to what your student will see, and you're going to see that your student is going to be named John Smith. And that's an indication that you're looking at the sample of what your student's dashboard looks like right now. In most browsers, this is going to be a new tab, so you won't have to click the back button. You'll just need to go to the other tab where your Learn customizations are taking place. So we're going to come back to the Learn customization area. We're then going to click on Edit Your Student Dashboard. When you first begin, Thrivecart will give you a message telling you that this is the page that your students will see if they purchase multiple courses from you. All of those courses will be displayed in this area. You can choose to dismiss this and you'll see it again, or you can choose not to have it shown again. What you'll see on the course dashboard are customization elements once again. So for example, we can add in any of the customization elements by clicking on the drag hand and then pulling it into the area. So for example, if we wanted to pull a video into this area, we could do that. We release our mouse, and then our video is available. We can then use the properties to adjust the appearance of the element that we just added. Now, if you hover back over the element and you don't want it, you can then click the trash can and the element will be deleted. So assuming that you want to have a download in your course area for all of your students, you would click on the download button. You then slide the grab hand to the area. You can release your mouse and you'll see the download area once again. You'll click inside to customize it. You'll save your element. Once again, you will customize this element here in the element options. Specifically for the download element, you'll need to place a download link here. We can then click Save. Our changes are now saved. We can then preview the area. We can then click the Go Back button, and we'll now be able to see our new download link inside of our course area for all of our students. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.